Welcome. In this video, I'm going to explain to you the pricing for Epidemic Sound. Before we start, if you don't have an Epidemic Sound account yet, you can use the link in the description or pinned comments to get a 30-day free trial. You'll be able to test premium music, sound effects, and the main features without paying during the trial. So it's the best way to follow this tutorial with your own account. So think of Epidemic Sound like a gym membership. As long as you pay the monthly fee, you can use any song or sound effect you want. Now, if you cancel your subscription, you can't use their music in new videos, but any videos you published while you were paying is safe from claims forever. So which plan do you actually need? So basically we have three options right here. Just click on your profile at the very bottom. Now click on pricing. Okay, as you can see, we have Creator, Pro, and Pro Plus or Custom. Now first up, let's go ahead and talk about the Creator plan. If you pay yearly, it's just under $10 a month. This is strictly for solo creators, YouTubers, and podcasters. You get the link, one channel per platform, and you can monetize your videos. Now we have the Pro plan. This drops to around $17 a month. But as you can see here, by using our link, you can go ahead and get it for as low as $11, and for Creator, $6. Okay, so going back, you're going to need this if you are a freelance editor, a videographer, or you do client work. The custom right here are for enterprises, okay, such as TVs, or you're doing commercial works. Okay, this one is for you. So if you buy the cheap Creator plan and make a video for a local business or a client, the video is not covered, okay? If their channel gets struck, your Creator plan won't save them. You must have the Pro plan to safely hand off video files to a third party. Now finally right here, there's the business plan or the custom plan, which comes with $30, okay, monthly, depending on how you would request it. Just contact Epidemic Sound Support. So again, this is for actual brands, marketing teams, and agencies who need multiple team seats and want to run heavy digital ad campaigns. So if it's just for your personal YouTube channel, stick with the $10 tier, the $6 yearly, or the Creator plan. If you're doing work for hire, pay for the Pro. As you can see here, I'm currently using Pro. There you have it. That's Epidemic Sound pricing explained. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.